and honor the life of Pope Francis, a shepherd to the world, a voice for the voiceless, and a man of deep humility and unwavering faith. On behalf of the Women's Commission, we offer our profound gratitude and sorrow as we bid farewell to a pontiff whose legacy will echo through generations. Pope Francis was not only a spiritual leader, but also a tireless advocate for inclusion, justice, and compassion. He challenged us, the Church and the world, to look to the margins, to listen to the cries of the poor, the oppressed, and yes, to the voices of the women. Under his papacy, the conversation about women in the Church was no longer one to be postponed. He opened doors for dialogue, encouraged reflection, and called for the full dignity and value of women to be recognized and uplifted in the life of the Church. He listened when others dismissed. He saw when others overlooked. He believed in the transformative power of women leadership, witness, and wisdom. His actions, appointing women to positions of authority within the Vatican, calling for deeper theological study on the role of women, and repeatedly urging for their God-given dignity, spoke of a heart committed to justice and equality. Though the journey towards true inclusion is ongoing, Pope Francis helped to light the path, and for that we are forever thankful. For women, his papacy was a time of listening and of being seen. Pope Francis took meaningful steps to include women's voices in the life of the Church, appointing women to significant roles never before imagined in the Curia, forming commissions to study women deacons, and most importantly, reminding the global Church of the indispensable role women play in transmitting the faith, nurturing communities, and leading with strength and compassion. Though the road towards full inclusion remains long, Pope Francis did not shy away from naming that journey. His words carried a gentle yet prophetic tone. The Church cannot be herself without women. He listened, he learned, he led with humility. He championed the dignity of every human being, called out systems of injustice, and extended a hand to the peripheries of the world, where women often stand first in the line to bear burdens of suffering and the hope of renewal. We mourn his passing, yet we celebrate the life he lived. A life marked by mercy, courage, and the relentless pursuit of love in action. May we carry forward his vision, not as passive heirs, but as active participants in the Church he so loved and served. Thank you, Pope Francis, for seeing us, hearing us, and walking with us. As we bid farewell to Pope Francis, we remember his laughter, his simplicity, and his quiet strength. We thank him for planting seeds that will continue to grow in the hearts of women across the world, seeds of faith, justice, and belonging. May his soul rest in the eternal embrace of the God he served so faithfully, and may we, inspired by his legacy, continue the work he began, building a church and a world where the gifts of women are not only welcomed, but celebrated. Thank you, Holy Father. We will carry your vision forward. May your soul rest in the eternal peace of the God you so faithfully served.